everyone, and welcome to my channel Inspired Birdie for a Dollar Tree haul today. I'm also going to tack on at the very end a Dollarama haul. It's a really small one, but I wanted to just quickly show what I got from Dollarama. But I'm going to start off with the Dollar Tree today, and I did definitely go to check out what Halloween items they had, but I'm going to start off with a few really random things that I picked up. Alright guys, hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new here and join me for all of my holiday DIYs coming to you. Alright guys, so to start off, I picked up this really cute, it's a ceramic tray that says Dream. They did have another one as well, which I'll insert here to show you. I don't know that this is new. I think it's been hauled by some people. Not too sure, but I really like the gold lining and the gold wording that says Dream. And I thought this would just be really great to put things in at the end of the night, like rings, so jewelry, stuff like that. You can keep it on your end table or in your bathroom. And then I thought this was really cute. I saw a few people haul these. They have a bunch of different ones, which I'm also going to insert the video. It's a snow globe, so you can see all the snow. It's the kind of glittery. And this one's a unicorn. I thought was really cute. I'm going to put that in my daughter's room, and I'll show you guys in the clip which other ones they had as well, in case you haven't seen those hauled yet. So those were two of the random items I grabbed. Alright, some more random items, starting off with some batteries. I do like getting these Sunbeam alkaline batteries for kids' toys. So I get the AAAs and the AA's. The D's I don't get because I find that kids' toys, they run out really quickly. So I tend to go to Energizer, a stronger brand that I know from like Walmart. Picked up some nails. These ones are okay. They're not some of my favorite, but my Dollar Tree starting to run low on nails. So I'm gonna have to look around at some other Dollar Trees, because if you follow me, you know how much I love Dollar Tree nails. So yeah, that was a little disappointing. Here are some other random stuff that I got. I'm thinking of putting together a Dollar Tree review video really soon, where I'm actually going to try out some of these items that I've been buying from the Dollar Tree, so I can let you guys know if they work or not, because I'm sure we've all hauled different items from the Dollar Tree that turn out to be crap. So I wanted to do a video where it's kind of like good versus not good. So stay tuned for that. That'll probably be within the next month. But I grabbed this iPhone 7 case. All right, there we go. I took it out of the case so you can see it better. So it has this black, like on the edges, and then at the top, and then this shimmery white. And I got that for my work phone. I have the iPhone 7, and I wanted to get a case to protect it. So I thought, I mean, for $1, why not? It seems good quality. Yeah. I also picked up this window and door alarm. I've always wanted to get one, specifically for my kids' room, just, you know, put me at ease. So I saw this one at the Dollar Tree, and I thought that I would just try it out, see how it works. Also, this ring holder for the iPhone. So my personal phone, I use the POC socket, which I absolutely love. And I saw this at the Dollar Tree, which I think is supposed to be almost like the POC socket, like just kind of the same concept, but with the ring in the middle. So I'm going to try it out, see how it works. Same with this one here. This is a multi-holder support multi-function. If you look at the back, it'll show you different ways that you can use it. So the phone is one of them. I don't know if you can see, but to hold a USB stick or to hold a cord. So yeah, I thought this was really cute. So I'm going to try it out and see if that works. So I might do a video on these items here to show you guys if they are a good item or a fail. Two more really random, and then I'll show you guys the few little Halloween things I got, is some hand sanitizer. I love keeping this in my car, especially in the winter seasons. I mean, I keep it all year round, but We are going to be approaching winter soon, so I just like keeping this in my car. Anytime I go through a drive-through or come out of a store or whatever, I like to use that. And then I hauled a book like this last time. I got the one that says Things That Go on Land, and my kid just loves it. It's a picture book, and that book just keeps her attention. Sorry for the glare, guys. Keeps her attention for at least 5, maybe 10 minutes. She just loves looking at all the pictures. So I thought that I would get the air and sea version since the land was such a big hit for her. Yeah, so those are the last random items that I got. And I'm going to show you what Halloween I got. All right, so starting off with this sign. Now, signs are not new for Dollar Tree. They do get them every single year, but I went ahead and grabbed this one. It also says that it includes 2 stakes so that you can secure it in the ground. I'm not going to be using it in the ground. I'm using this for a DIY, but that's a pretty cool option for those of you who want to. And I grabbed the skeleton. The only thing about this is keeping an eye on the design. As you can see, some of the red is falling outside of the eyes. It's like really messy done. And I'm okay with that, but just take a good look at if you do grab one of these, because some of them, they weren't fully colored in. So, you know, some of the glitter was missing and things like that. So, yeah, so I grabbed that. All right, this little guy is the messiest right now, so I'm going to show you this. Definitely needs to be hairsprayed down because the sparkles are just falling all over the place. But love the material. It's quite heavy. And it's just a white pumpkin with black spiders climbing up. I think once it has a layer of hairspray, you can I would wipe off all the excess sparkles and then spray it, and it should be good to go. But they had this one, they had it in orange as well. And I think they had one with purple spiders as well. But I went ahead and picked up the white. And then I went ahead and picked this guy up. It's just like a clear jar, and it is orange. And then it has the rope at the top, the twine, with this little skeleton charm. And I thought this would be really cute to use in a DIY, so I picked this up. And then I went ahead and got some of these 8-pack of skulls. So they're just little skulls like that for a DIY that I want to throw together. And you get 8 of them. They're not attached or anything like that. They're all single. And I finally found one of these. I've seen tons of people haul them. I only had this color at my Dollar Tree. So it's just, if you haven't seen this, it's a candle holder that has a little face, and then the legs are, so it's like a spider. And you can put a candle, a tea light, you can put a battery operated candle, but they're just really cute. So I went ahead and grabbed one of those. And then I loved this floral piece. I'm going to use it for a DIY. I just got one. And they called it, what did they call it here? The pumpkin filler. I just thought this was really, really pretty. So it's leaves with these pumpkins hanging off. And I thought this would make a really beautiful DIY. I believe they had it with orange pumpkins as well, but I went ahead and got the red. And that sums up what I got from the Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree is really slow because we don't have as much Halloween as what I'm seeing a lot of other people haul these days. So I don't know, my Dollar Tree's got to start catching up with everybody else because they really didn't have a lot of items out at all whatsoever. And I certainly didn't see them unpacking any Halloween. So that was all I was able to get, which means I'm going to have to make another trip sometime soon and keep checking out their items. So I'm going to show you guys now what I grabbed from Dollarama. All right, so from the Dollarama, which is the dollar store here in Canada, starting off, I got this, it's a wrist rest. So it's just a foam wrist rest that you can use at your computer. I have one for my personal computer and I love it. So I got this one to bring to work with me. And that's it. Not much to talk about when it comes to this product. It was $1 because there was no price on it, so they just gave it to me for $1. I also picked up another soap. If you did not see my last Dollarama haul, I picked up one of these in pink, and it had a white skull on it. It was really, really cute, and it's the Ivy and Castle brand. I really love this one too. Magic Potion. It was $3. I just love the Halloween theme of this bottle. So yeah, grabbed one of these. These have gone really super quick because last time they had a ton of them, and today this was the last one that they had. So yeah. Also picked up some socks. I don't know. I don't know if these are going to be good quality. I grabbed them because they're not non-skid, and I was looking for some socks that had, and I should clarify, these are for a child, but I was looking for some socks that had these on the bottom to prevent skidding, especially if you have a kid that's walking. So this is 12 to 18 months, and they were $2.50. So I will see how well they last. Also picked up this really random baby toy. Always love when I see dollar stores get some name brand items. So this is obviously name brand. It is from the Finding Dory, movie brand, and this is the Nemo. So this is just a bath toy. They had they have Nemo, they had Dory as well. And you just pull that little lever at the bottom and it swims in the bathtub. So this is a bath toy. And yeah, they have a collection. You can collect all of them. These were the two that my Dollarama had. So this is a Disney brand. And that was $3. And lastly, I got this pumpkin. I thought this would be really pretty for decoration. So this is a LED lantern, which was $4, color changing Halloween lantern. So you can hang it if you want. And it is a pumpkin. It's made of, it feels like like a ceramic or something like that. So yeah, I'm going to turn it on to show you guys what it looks like. Oh, there we go. How fun is that? For those of you that have Dollaramas, I am so impressed by the items they're coming out with. They have definitely some really high quality items, things that you're just never gonna find at the Dollar Tree. Super fun, super good quality. And yeah, I'm excited to wait for them to put out more Halloween stuff and see what else they're going to have. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that really quick haul. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here and stay tuned. I will definitely have some more, especially Halloween hauls coming soon, as well as DIYs for fall and Halloween. All right, guys, thanks so much for joining me today. Love and peace to you all. Bye.